Hello, guys, welcome to Badass Cult. Here we speak about tough and uncompromising things. This video, let's find out why iOS is better than Android. So it's not like why Android is great. I mean, it's not like iOS is great or Android is great. I think both OSs are good at what they are for, but I'm saying they are what's iOS, why it is better than Android. So this is what I'm saying, they are good enough, but so Android fans out there, don't get raised. This is what I'm gonna try. So why Apple fans think iOS is better than Android. So the very first thing is user interface. See, you may question me like, see, Android got many user interface customizability, but what I feel, what most iOS users love is that the user interface in Android, rather than Android, the user interface of iOS is very better, which is like more optimized, and it is like it got best. It is, people can get used to it very well. So that's why the very first one is user interface. Whereas in Android, you can't get a proper user interface. There is stock Android interface, but it's not that worthwhile. Google makes Android and it is given to different brands where they did not optimize those Android with those hardwares very well. See, there are few Android interfaces, user interfaces. The brands like Samsung, they make little good user interface. Some stock Android mobiles and some mobiles like OnePlus, which is running on Oxygen OS, they are like little well, or else the most Android devices user interface is not well optimized. So the user interface of iOS is better than Android there. But the flip side is you can't customize as Android in iOS. And nextly, the second most reason, it's updates. So guys, think of this way. In 2015, the iPhone SE SE1 is released in 2015. Still, it is getting the latest iOS updates. It's 2020 now. Whereas think of any Android mobile released in 2015. It's not even getting updates. If you get an updates, maybe 2 or 3 years in an Android, then it is a miracle, I think so. Then only few premium devices offer that, but every iOS mobile, at least it will definitely, it is future proof for at least 3-4 years. It is fair enough, you could use it. So, and nextly, these devices, the iOS devices last longer. So when on specifications it may be different, but they runs longer. The iOS devices mostly they runs for longer. The people uses according to many reports, people uses iOS devices for many years. They will, but whereas Android, they will change the mobile very soon, but this is not the case in iOS. And nextly, the third reason, it is RAM. See, you could figure out this thing. Why RAM? I'm saying, see, many people will be saying to you like, if you got 2 gigs of RAM, 2 GB of RAM in iPhone, that's fair enough. But whereas 4 GB is not that much enough in Android. That's because the hardware and software is very well optimized, and the RAM used by the software is very well done in iOS. That is the third most reason. So that's why, but whereas see, and here the issues, they will remain forever and ever in Android. They are not well optimized. So that's why RAM case, that's the third reason. iOS is better in RAM optimization, definitely, that's for sure. Number 4, ecosystem. So many people also thinks like this. See, ecosystem is making you to be in Apple ecosystem only. You want it makes you to use only Apple devices, but that's not the case. Think Google also made Chrome OS. It wanted to use only Google products, like it made Pixel, and it also wanted to integrate. Even Samsung is trying to do that. See, Samsung is building a Galaxy. I mean, it brought a Galaxy Watch. It brought a Samsung desk, Samsung laptops, and Samsung Note. In that, Samsung is also trying to make an ecosystem, but they are not good at it. What's here is Apple is best at it. So the ecosystem, if it is a good for you and you love to be in such ecosystems, Apple got here. So it is again, iOS is better than Android over here in having ecosystem. So you could make things seamlessly between your devices. If you got an Apple Watch, you could connect it seamlessly with every device. If you got an AirPods, you could switch between them very seamlessly. That's the very big benefit. And again, in iOS, not just, I mean, it means the seamless integration helps you. Maybe you can become very productive and your mood, maybe it's like, see, you will get a you will not get annoyed, you will not get irritated. So it helps a lot. So guys, what do you think of this? So I'm also interested to make why Android is better than iOS. I will make one for you. So guys, stay tuned for that also. So don't forget to subscribe. I will post why Android is better than iOS 2 very soon. So guys, bye.